how to write it. Okay, let me explain that. It is written like a backward E, okay, whose tail extends along the line with upward curve at its end. So how to do it? Let me write it down. So it's like this, and it remains on the line, and at the end extends, and we have one dot at the end. Okay, so if we write it in other forms, that would look like this. Okay, if it comes in the middle, so you have to see you have to differentiate between this one and ghain. Okay, that's, you have to remember. I'll explain that now in a second. Sorry, that's ghain. This one. If it comes in the end, okay, you can connect them. You can basically connect this one and here this one. Okay, so it would look like this: fa, another fa, and another fa. Okay, so the difference in fa and ghain is this one. If you see, this one is round and ghain is like this. Okay, ghain. Can you see the difference? So this one is round and this one is not round, it's different shape. So you have to remember those differences when we see in the practical examples.